What is a seasonality adjustment and how should you use them? So over the past couple of years, automation has been taking over Google Ads accounts with things like Performance Max and automated bidding strategies. The amount of manual changes that we can make to accounts has decreased over the past couple of years. Things like location adjustments, mobile bids, and ad scheduling is all being overtaken by automated bidding strategies. Now, these automated bidding strategies often take a learning period to bed in, and sometimes you need something more instantaneous, which is where seasonality adjustments come in. So how do they work? A seasonality adjustment artificially tells Google that the conversion rate is different to what it is. So for example, if your current conversion rate is say 2%, you could put a 50% positive seasonality adjustment in place to then tell Google that the conversion rate to be expected is 3%. This is really useful in certain situations, for example, something like Black Friday, where you're anticipating a bumper period and where your conversion rate is higher than it is. Equally, if you're expecting a bit of a downturn or a slow period for your industry, you can also put a negative seasonality adjustment in place. What then this allows is for the account to bid a little more conservatively, and you should see either your CPA decrease or your ROAS go up because Google is being slightly more risk averse in terms of its bidding. Google have recently introduced seasonality adjustments for budgets as well. So if you'd like to spend more over a bumper period, or if you're going through a quiet patch and you'd like to spend less, you can do this in exactly the same way. Bear in mind that seasonality adjustments are supposed to be used on a short-term basis. This could be done over hours, days, a weekend, but they do have a maximum of 14 days. So if you're going through a prolonged period of sale, or if you're going through a prolonged low period where you'd like to keep those seasonality bid adjustments on, please don't forget to renew them. So if you need any help with your seasonality adjustments or anything to do with PPC, come and speak to us and get in touch with Dark Horse.